Have you ever thought about growing exotic fruits in your backyard? It's an exciting venture that offers the joy of fresh, unique produce right at your fingertips. Plus, it's a hobby that's sure to spark intriguing chats with friends and neighbors. Imagine enjoying a fresh kiwi or a juicy dragon fruit straight from your garden. First, you need to choose the right fruit to grow in your climate. It's crucial to do a bit of research to understand which exotic fruits can flourish in your specific region. Some popular choices might be kiwis, figs, or even the vibrant dragon fruits. However, keep in mind that these fruits might need some extra love and care during the chillier months. Every fruit comes with its unique set of requirements. Remember, the key is to understand what your chosen fruit needs to thrive. Once you've chosen your fruit, it's time to plant and care for it. Start by preparing the soil, making sure it's rich and well drained. Plant your seed or sapling with care, ensuring it has plenty of space to grow. Regular watering is a must, but don't forget about fertilizing. No fruit tree can thrive without the right nutrients. Regularly check on your plant, be vigilant against pests, and with patience and care, you'll see your exotic fruit tree grow day by day. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. Recognizing when your fruit is ripe and ready to pick might be a bit tricky. Look for changes in color, feel for a slight give when squeezed, and sniff for a sweet aroma. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Savor the unique flavors, share your bounty with loved ones, and revel in the satisfaction of a job well done. There's nothing quite like the taste of a fruit you've grown yourself. So, are you ready to turn your backyard into an exotic fruit paradise? Remember, it's all about picking the right fruit, providing care, and relishing the harvest. There's nothing quite like the joy of homegrown exotic fruits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!